Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi using a sushi kit. First, let's prepare the rice. Rinse about 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch. Then, cook the rice as directed by your sushi kit, usually in a rice cooker or pot. Once cooked, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of sushi vinegar, allowing it to cool slightly. Now, let's get to rolling. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Dampen your hands slightly to prevent sticking, then spread a thin, even layer of prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings, like cucumber, avocado, or fish, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Rolling is key for a firm, delicious sushi roll. Lift the edge of the mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings and tucking it in. Apply gentle, even pressure as you roll forward, keeping everything tight. Continue rolling until you reach the unriced edge of the nori. Dab a little water on that edge to seal the roll securely. You're almost there. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your homemade sushi. For clean cuts, use a very sharp knife, wiping the blade with a damp cloth between each slice. This prevents the rice from sticking. Cut each roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.